Courtney, and we're going to do some reading real quick, and then you guys can go to psychomotor, okay? All right. So, you want me to show you the big book we're going to learn about today?
Yeah.
Close your eyes. Open. What is it?
A cricket.
Oh, yeah, like a cricket.
A grasshopper.
A grasshopper. This book is going to teach us all about grasshoppers. Tell me, kinder friends, what do you know about grasshoppers?
They eat plants.
They eat plants? What else?
They jump.
They jump on grass. They jump.
And sometimes you can catch them and they jump away.
Ooh, sometimes you could catch them, and then do they jump away though?
When they had one at my other school before I came here and then it jumped away, I tried to keep it.
So does that mean they're slow or they're pretty quick? They're pretty quick, right? So we're going to see what the writer, Rhonda McDonald, you know how you boys and girls do writing too? She's a writer too, Rhonda McDonald. She's going to teach us about grasshoppers, okay? So let's see all about grasshoppers. Ooh. Look at that, how they zoomed in. You see? Can you I spy the grasshopper there? Right? Okay, so let's see what we're going to learn about grasshoppers. Whoa! Look at this! Look at that photograph. What do you guys notice?
They're going.
They're going where?
In the grass.
Oh, they're going in the grass. What else do you notice?
Eating plants.
They're eating plants. What color are they?
Brown.
Brown, yeah. Brown
And
with
black.
what?
And
And black. What else do you notice? They kind of look like a lizard here. So how could this page sound? Can it sound like this, like a story? Hippity hop, the grasshoppers were playing with each other. Can it sound like that? No, that's like a story, right? Or can it sound like this, like it's teaching us something, like grasshoppers are insects, something like that. Can it teach us like that, right? It sounds more like an information book. Yeah, it's like teaching us. So let's read the words and make it match. You ready? Okay. If you could read with me, follow along. Here we go. Grasshoppers are insects.
You did get it right.
Yeah, we did get it right. You ready to see what the next page is?
Yeah, I know where it is.
Okay.
Oh!
Whoa, look at this photograph.
It looks like a
What do you notice?
It looks like a cricket.
Well, yeah, okay, it looks like a cricket. What else do you notice?
A grasshopper.
What do you think the writer, this Rhonda McDonald, what do you think she's teaching us on this page?
Stuff.
About what though? Look what look at what they're looking at here. What do you think they're going to talk about? The grasshopper and yeah, what are these called?
Antennas.
Oh, antennas. Everyone, can you make the antennas like that? Ready? Like this. How many is on top of your head? Two. Ooh, okay. So do you think she could talk about the antennas? Maybe the page could sound like this, right? Grasshoppers have antennas. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds right. Okay, help me read the sentence and let's see. Here we go. Grasshoppers have blank legs. Oh, wait. She's talking about their legs. So look at their legs. Long legs. That makes sense. It sounds right. Let's see if it looks right. Okay, here I go. Ready? I covered up some of the words here. You ready to help me? If it's long, what letter should we see? La, 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 la. What letter? L. Right there. Okay, here I go. Ready? What letter? Oh, the S? What sound does that make?
Skinny.
So that doesn't sound right. It has to match, right? Grasshoppers have legs.
Skin legs.
Skin legs? Yeah, that kind of, yeah, but does that sound right? Skin legs? Sounds kind of a little bit weird, huh? Let's see.
Skinny legs.
Skinny legs. Ooh, skinny legs. That sounds right. Okay, if it's skinny, I'm going to see my friend the kite, the K right there. Okay, you ready? There you go. Let's see.
It's an eye. Yeah. It's an eye.
Whoa! Wait, so you got to make it match. Let me see. Let's say the sounds, just like you guys do in the morning.
And it had an X.
Let me go back and read it. Grasshoppers have legs. What's the last sound? Wait, let me think. What kind of legs do they have?
Skinny.
Skinny, but look at that doesn't look right. Let me count. Let me give you a hint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you think that would look right?
Yeah.
Let's see. What sound should I see?
X.
Okay, you see the X there? All right, let's see. Here I go. Let's see if we got it right. X. You guys got it. Let's check it. Ready? Go back and read it with
Good
me.
morning, Bulldogs. This is Mr. Dawes, where we have an important announcement on friendship and anti-bullying from Jesus, your 7th grade president.
Ready? Let's read it. Grasshoppers have
Good morning.
6
Harry Bridges.
legs. Does that make
This is
sense?
your 7th grade
It
president.
sounds right. Now
Today,
it
our
looks
topic is
right.
about
Because
cyberbullying.
skinny, that
Today,
did
this is
sound
probably
right.
one of the
But it
most
just
common acts of
has
bullying,
to be that,
considering that mostly everyone uses
You
social
ready?
media. Cyberbullying is the use of
Look
electronic
at this.
communication, such as text,
Photograph.
voice,
What's it doing in the
The number
picture?
of pictures earlier
Jumping and
scarcely
flying.
rose
How could
in
this page
2010.
sound? Grasshoppers jump.
Most kids do not report that they are
Grasshoppers are
being
jumping. Ready?
Considering
Grasshoppers
that
are flying. Here we go.
representation.
Ready? Go.
If you ever
Grasshoppers
encounter
can
cyberbullying,
jump. What letter if it's going to be jump? What letter is it? J. Okay, you ready? Ready? Okay, jump. Here you go. You ready? Let's see if it matches. Wait, that's an H. So wait, let me go back to read it. Grasshoppers can.
We are respectful, responsible, safe, kind, fair, and trustworthy.
What's the next sound?
And we as Bulldogs do not bully at all.
Right here.
Middle school students,
Okay, you ready?
if you purchase sweats for PE, again, middle school students, if you purchase sweats for PE, please
Does it
come
match?
directly to
Yeah.
the
Okay, ready? Let's go back to read it. Go. Grasshoppers can hop. Whoa, you guys got it right.
Students who
Makes
purchase
sense.
sweats
Sounds
for
right.
PE,
Looks
please
right.
come directly to
Ready?
the auditorium after 6th period
Stop.
and then go to 7th
Watch the
period.
words.
Thank you very much, and again, Bulldogs, have a great day.
Tell, the teacher's been telling you that, right? Look
Look
at this. Wait, is it a butterfly? Look at the title. It's all about crickets? Grasshoppers? So wait, look. Could this be a butterfly or it has to be a grasshopper? So wait, what is this? Grasshopper. So what do you think? What do you guys notice?
Oh, I know.
What do you notice?
I know.
What do you notice? What do you notice? What are these?
Wings.
Wings? So
I
what
know.
do you think the page is telling us about? Colorful wings? What do you guys think? Tell me.
Grasshopper's growing and it grows wings.
The grasshopper's growing and it's growing wings. That's how the page could sound. Let's make it match. You ready? Here we go. Grasshoppers have wings. What's the first sound you hear? All right, let's make it match. Ready? Here I go.
Carlos.
What?
What?
Let's go all the way to the end of the word.
We got it.
Oh, we got it. Let's go back to check. Ready? Read it again with me. Go. Grasshoppers.
Wings. How do they have wings?
Is that cool? Because
Picture matches the word.
the pictures match the word. So smart, friends. Ready? Look at this picture. Look at the photograph. Whoa! What's it? What do you guys notice? What's the grasshopper doing?
It's flying. Grasshoppers can fly.
My friend could say grasshoppers can fly. How many of you guys think that's what the page sounds like?
Yeah.
Okay, let's make it match. Ready? Here we go. Grasshoppers can.
fly.
You guys made it match.
Yes, because that could fly.
Whoa! Look at this photograph. What do you guys notice here? What's the grasshopper doing? It's eating. But wait, the grasshopper changed its what? Color. Look, it looked like this brown and black before. Now what color is it?
Green.
So this page,
It's a green.
it's green.
Grasshopper.
Yeah, this one could say the grasshopper is green. What else could it say? Hold on. It's on the leaf, yeah?
And then when it's on the leaf, it changes to the color.
Oh, kind of like a chameleon, how you can change colors. Okay, wait, let's read the words to make it match. Here we go. Grasshoppers eat. Oh, eat. Grasshoppers eat. Okay, if it's leaves, what letter? What's the beginning sound? L. You see the L? Here we go. Let's make it match. Grasshoppers eat. Wait, that's a P. Get your mouth ready. Grasshoppers eat plants. Yeah, you guys think thumbs up? Okay, here. If I let me hear the sounds in plants. P. Ooh. P. Ooh. Right? Oh my goodness, look, it's matching. Let's read it all the way. Plan. We made a match. It sounds right and looks right too. Ready? Go back to read it with me. Go. Grasshoppers eat.
If picture matches that word.
The pictures match the words. And look at the last page. Now, Rhonda McDonald, the writer, the author, she's just labeling for us the parts of a grasshopper. So this is what, boys and girls? His eye. Oh, see right here? The mouth. Right here are the leg, right? And this is the wing. Boys and girls, turn and talk. Tell your partner next to you. What did you learn about grasshoppers? Tell them. What did you learn? What did you learn about the grasshoppers?
Grasshoppers can fly.
1, 2, 3, eyes on me. So, boys and girls, go like this. Give me a 5 like this, okay? Like a high five. We're gonna tell about grasshoppers again, okay? Say grasshoppers. Okay, now tell me, what did you learn? Grasshoppers can change color. Let's do it again. Grasshoppers can. Ooh, they can what? Yeah.
Jump.
Fly or hop or hop.
Oh, hop.
Hop. Good. Okay, let's do another one. Go. Grasshoppers can what? Can eat what? Ooh, here we go. Okay, grasshoppers can eat plants. Give me another one. Go. Grasshoppers can fly. Do you guys know all about grasshoppers now? You're an expert? So awesome. So when you're reading your books, can you do this for me? Did you notice what Miss Courtney we were doing? And my friends did it here too. We looked at the picture, the photograph, first. And then we said, how could the page sound? And then we read the words and we had to make it
Picture matches that word.
picture. So smart. Give yourself a pat on your back. Say, I'm such a great reader.
I'm such a good reader.
Are you sure you're not in first grade? Okay. You're in kindergarten?
Yes.
Oh, okay. You could go to psychomotor now. Thank you. Yes. I know. What is that?
Look, Betsy! Benjamin, we can see you! Benjamin, we see you!
I'm gonna look that up.
But they could, well, when they eat something that's like a greenish, then they turn into the
Okay, I'm gonna look that up.
I have the newer bunch, the newer bunch.